The 2024 Lexus LC 500 and LC 500h arrive with a major tech upgrade. The previous 10.3-inch infotainment screen is going, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen display replaces it. The updated infotainment system comes standard with a panoramic view monitor that combines images from the front, rear, left, and right cameras to provide a complete perspective of what's around the vehicle. It also supports dual Bluetooth and the wireless versions of Apple CarPlay integration and Android Auto. The previous system with the 10.3-inch display received poor reviews. For example, after driving the 2022 LC 500. In addition to the improved infotainment system, there are two new exterior colors available: Ultrasonic Blue Mica 2.0 and Copper Crest. Both are $595 options. Dark Rose is an additional upholstery color. The 2024 LC 500 gets 21-inch forged alloy wheels with a gloss black finish and metallic accents. The LC 500 continues to use a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 that makes 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It lets the car accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The only gearbox available is a 10-speed automatic. The LC 500h has a 3.5-liter V6 with two electric motors with a total output of 354 horsepower. It connects to a 4-speed automatic and a continuously variable transmission that work together.